In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove followers on a Facebook page in a simple and safe way. If you manage a page and want to limit who can follow it, or you're trying to clean up your audience settings, this is the tutorial for you. I'll walk you through the exact steps, and I'll also explain what this option really does, because Facebook page settings can be a little confusing if you're new to them. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tutorials like this. Let's get started. First, open Facebook and go to the profile page connected to the page or account you want to manage. Once you're on the profile page, look for the three dots menu. This is usually near the top of the page, and it opens the main options for your profile or page settings. Click those three dots to reveal the menu. From there, look for the option to turn off professional mode. Now, this is an important step because professional mode can affect how followers and page style controls work on your account. If your goal is to remove or limit followers, turning off professional mode may be part of the process depending on how your page is set up. Click Turn off professional mode and follow the on-screen prompts to confirm. Facebook may ask you to review your choice, so make sure you read the message before continuing. After that, complete the confirmation and wait for the changes to apply. Once professional mode is turned off, go back and check your profile or page settings again to see how the follower options have changed. In some cases, this can reduce follower visibility or remove the ability for people to follow in the same way they could before. If you are managing a Facebook page specifically, remember that Facebook does not always let you directly remove individual followers from a page the way you might expect. Instead, the better approach is often to adjust your audience settings, privacy controls, or professional mode settings to control who can follow, see, or interact with your content. If needed, review your page settings, audience restrictions, and content visibility options so you can better manage who has access to your page updates. The main thing is to make sure you are using the correct profile or page, because Facebook personal profiles, professional mode accounts, and pages all behave a little differently. If you don't see the exact option right away, look through the three dots menu again and check the settings carefully. Facebook updates its layout often, so the wording may change slightly, but the general process is still the same. Go to the profile page, tap the three dots, and turn off professional mode if that's the feature controlling your follower setup. After you finish, take a moment to refresh the page and confirm the change worked. That way, you know your settings are updated properly, and that's how you remove followers on a Facebook page or adjust the settings that control followers on your Facebook profile. If this tutorial helped, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next step-by-step guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.